Good evening everyone, I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is Delhi Bar Council has suspended license of advocate Iqbal Malik. So in this video I will tell you that what were the fact of the cases and what was the offence that for which he was accused of. So Iqbal Malik was having an chamber in Karkaduma court, and he was accused of that he is running forced conversion and nikah ceremony in his chamber, due to which Bar Council has suspended his license on temporary basis. And council also ordered sealing of the lawyer's chamber on the court premises to allow police investigation, but body of lawyers feels that they are of the opinion that ceremonies like nikah or marriage cannot be conducted within the premises of the court. So they asked for the disciplinary committee so that they can investigate in this matter. And the council also said that the advocates allotment of the chamber should also be suspended, and they have requested the judge in charge to do so. And they have also said that it negates the dignity of the legal profession. The resolution which was passed by the chamber says, I will tell you from word to word which it says. What it says: the alleged illegal activities are not permissible nor are part of the professional activities of an advocate, and your conduct in performing a nikah and issues of certificate of conversion and nikah nama or marriage certificate is totally disgraceful and negates the dignity of legal profession. It states further, looking into the advertisement in the complaint and the document, prima facie, the activities of performing the nikah in the chamber or court premises cannot be permitted by an advocate or any of other person. As such, it calls for a urgent action by the Bar Council and Chairperson Sri Ramesh Gupta, while considering the gravity of the situation, also uphold the dignity of the dignity and honor of the legal fraternity, exercise his special power under Rule 43 of Bar Council of India Rule in and Section 6 subsection 1D of the Advocate Act 1961, referred the issue to the Special Disciplinary Committee, and as an interim measure consider it necessary and appropriate to suspend your license to practice until the finding and conclusion by disciplinary committee. And this decision was made after a father complained that his daughter is forcefully converted to Islam and therefore married off in the advocate's chamber in Karkaduma court. And he also said that chamber in the court was shown as a mosque in the document, and the complainant made these allegations after going to the Karkaduma court and verifying these. And counsel also observed that place of performance of nikah as Malik's chamber, although described as Mazar Wali Masjid, and that a conversion trust is being run. The council recorded that the girl's conversion certificate has been issued by AL Nikah Trust, registered 668/2020. So the council told Iqbal that he should submit his response within 7 days to the committee, and he should be presented in person on 16 July in front of the Delhi Bar Council, and the committee will conduct an inquiry as soon as possible. Until then, the license of the advocate is suspended. And I think choosing a religion is our personal belief. No one should do that, forcefully convert our religion. This is illegal, and I would like to know your opinion as well. So you can tell me in the comment section, and keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. That's it for the video. Thank you so much.